pretend that you're the brand manager for Triple Paste, a company that is famous for this diaper rash cream that is applied to babies' bottoms to prevent diaper rash. And you want to monitor what people are saying about this brand across the internet. This is what you need to do. So you're going to want to open up the VOC AI social listening tool, and you're going to type in the keywords diaper rash cream or Triple Paste. This means that the AI is going to pick up all the posts that contain either of these two phrases in it. And let's say you want to see posts from the past 9 months. Click on Create Report and let's see what we have here. Now this is interesting. Face basting, dermatologist's diaper rash cream skincare hack. It looks like Shireen Idris, a dermatologist, is recommending people to use diaper rash cream on their face to repair dry, cracked skin, aka face basting as she calls it. So let's click into this post and see what it's about. This YouTube video has over 200,000 views and almost 1,000 comments. Now it looks like this entire video is her giving a tutorial about how people can benefit from lathering diaper rash cream, specifically the Triple Paste branded one, which she linked in her description, onto their face to heal their inflamed dry skin. But what do people think about this crazy idea? VOC AI also allows you to analyze the comments under this video. So all you need to do is copy paste the link of the video that you want to analyze and go to the social media tab and click on analysis. Scrolling down, you can see the customer motivations, and how this word cloud works is that the bigger the size of the word, the more people have mentioned it in the comments. So great product, good recommendation, helped skin is very often mentioned in the comments, so you have very positive reactions from her video. So it seems like people are quite convinced and taking up her recommendation to use diaper rash cream on their face for their skin. So what does this mean for the brand Triple Paste? Here are 3 key takeaways. Number 1 is shift in marketing gear. You now have a brand new target audience. It is no longer limited to parents or mothers with newborn babies, but anyone with a dry or damaged skin barrier that could benefit from face basting. And this broadens your target audience enormously because the skincare industry is worth $106 billion US. For example, you can now target teenagers who have an inflamed, acne-prone skin, or women of all ages, because let's be honest, women are much more likely to be putting a thick layer of white cream on their face before bed than men are. This can affect your SEO and the keywords that you're using when you're doing Google ads, the hashtags that you use, the lifestyle images that the brand is creating. Before it might be a baby with a diaper, but now it can be an adult with an itchy, red, inflamed skin. The second key takeaway is product tuning. Now that you know about this alternative usage scenario, imagine the brand creating a smaller secondary cream with packaging that is specifically designed for facial use. This product could be marketed for anyone with dry, inflamed, or damaged skin, and it could be put in the skincare section rather than the baby section of the store. This way, anyone who's browsing the skincare aisle with dry, inflamed skin barrier might pick up this product. So think about all the extra sales that this brand could be getting from such a simple but strategic change. Now, before I move on to the third point, there's one more thing about the social listening report that I think you should really see, so let me show you. If you scroll down and take a closer look at the summary of trending topics, you'll notice that Dr. Idris isn't the only dermatologist that's talking about this. Dr. Dre, also a dermatologist, has made 2 posts talking about skincare for hot weather, which received over 40,000 views combined. And she talks about another way to use diaper rash creams, which is to treat intertrigo, a skin condition that's caused by rubbing. And she has linked another diaper rash cream in her video description, although it wasn't the Triple Paste brand. Which brings me to my third point, partnerships. You can now sponsor dermatologists like Dr. Idris and Dr. Dre and have them talk about the use of diaper rash creams in adults with skin conditions, because having a dermatologist endorse a product is super convincing and effective in the skincare space. So before VOC AI, you may have only reached out to influencers who are mothers creating content with their baby. But now, after VOC AI's analysis, you can see the potential benefits in partnering with dermatologists and skincare skincare influencers, because this opens you up to new partnership opportunities and a much wider range of audience that you never even knew existed before. So if you're a brand manager, you're involved in retail or e-commerce or social media marketing, you'll agree that this is a really powerful tool for strategizing and making informed decisions. This is just one of many VOC AI's tools, and it's still in beta, but if you're interested in trying it out, it's completely free, and I'll link the sign up form in the description below. So click the link, sign up, and comment down below if you think the social listening tool could help your business. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to VOC AI for more educational content on using AI in retail, e-commerce, and customer support. My name is Ray, and I'll see you in the next video.